Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place your first order without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to place your first order on Xianyu app without. So recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp, like what you see on the screen right here. Someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to place order for them on Xianyu app, and I decided to make a video about it. So I'm going to use this particular product link as an example and show you step by step on how to place your first order on Xianyu app. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up the link. I'm going to click on app. So the product link is going to load up and open up in the app. Just like what you see right here. So you can see the product description right here and the product picture. This is exactly what I'm going to use as an example. So we can click on here. This will allow us to see more product picture right here, just like so. Now, the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and place order. And for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So you can see my chat with this store right here. So I have already contacted them and chat with them about the product. Then for us to place order, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So just like what you see right here, I'm paying the sum of 198 yuan to purchase this product. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So allow the Alipay to connect. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment using my Alipay. Then enter my payment password. So just like what you see right here, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot the proof of payment right here. After you make a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and so after you make a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then you can see now that I have successfully placed order for this product right here from our chat. So you can see the proof that the order have been successfully placed for. And for you to see the order you just paid for on Xianyu, you have to make sure you go back and continue to go back. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on here. So just like so, we have the product we just paid for right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on Xianyu on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to exit from Xianyu right here and come back to my WhatsApp and then click on here, then select my gallery, select proof of payment and say order placed now. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship or import products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Xianyu app, Taoba, pinduoduo, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.